We just fit out a project at Colas Rail. It's at City Tower in Piccadilly, Manchester.
There were several reasons behind the move. One, the office that we were currently at wasn't really fit for purpose. It had limited capacity for expansion, and we wanted to be more central to central Manchester for the rail links and for the ease of use of clients coming to the office, and obviously our client being Network Rail being based in Manchester as well. It was very much an empty shell, and we were reliant very much on the design houses that we were putting the tender out to actually pull together a working scope document that would actually fit the purpose of the office and make best use of the space. So we initially tendered to 4 different companies and then performed the tender review process, which eventually led to Select being chosen.
Well, the general office itself is quite a narrow, thin room, so we had to work with that. They work with CAD plans, so we had to use large furnishings, so they had space to spread out all the drawings, and they needed a lot of storage space. So as you'll see in the general office, we've used fitted wall storage to create that space.
Initially, we felt that the design that Select put forward was fit for purpose, met the needs of the business, but also made really good utilisation of the space. We felt that it would be beneficial to actually use a company local to Manchester because it made it a lot easier in terms of design reviews and actually evolving the initial design into what we essentially have got now.
Personal service is really key. I think the reason they chose us as well, because we're a Manchester-based company, that meant that we could take the client Paul to see the factory, look at how it's all made and let him look at the end product before we place the order, give him peace of mind. They've been great to work with throughout, and we've had a lot of input from them, and we've given a lot of input ourselves. Currently the director Carl is writing another job for them, an inquiry, for a bigger fit out in London. And that's always great because we know we've got to recommend and we've done a great job for them. They're pleased with our work.
The attention to detail from Select is superb. All the doors are actually perfectly fitted. Everything else is actually worked out exactly as we sort of were told that it would look. So yeah, really pleased, and should be a nice office to work in.